If you invested in Adani stocks when they were falling around February this year, I have some good news for you. Adani Group's combined market capitalization crossed the 13 lakh crore mark on December 5. Adani stocks fell massively this year post the Hindenburg report, which wiped out $100 billion from its market value. But why is it raining gains now? Hello and welcome, I'm Pallavi Sharma and you are watching Money Wise with ET Now. Let's begin. Adani Group is back in action and investors are gaining massively from the stocks. The disappointing year for the stocks seemed to have come to an end today as Adani Group surpassed the 13 lakh crore market capitalization mark today. The surge has made investors richer by 1.67 lakh crore rupees. Adani Green surged 20% on December 5, followed by Adani Total Gas surging 19.88%. Adani Enterprises was up 16.91%, Adani Power was up 15.81%, Adani Ports up 15.3%, NDTV up 18.48%, Adani Wilmar was up 9.94%, Ambuja Cement up 7.27% and ACC surged 8.19%. Apart from the overall market rally from BJP's win in 3 northern states in the election, there are other factors driving the stocks up. A Bloomberg report said that the US government had examined the Hindenburg allegations on Adani Group of financial fraud and stock price manipulation before extending loans to the conglomerate for Adani Ports' new project in Sri Lanka. The loan worth $553 million was approved after the government found Hindenburg's allegations irrelevant. This pushed the Adani stocks to around 20% up today. Adani Green also secured a $1.3 billion follow-on funding. Earlier this week, the Supreme Court said that news publications' works cannot be treated as gospels of truth while hearing the Adani Hindenburg case. SEBI also conducted many rounds of investigations in the case. On November 28, post-Supreme Court's statement, Adani Group's stocks surged 20%. In a single day, Adani Group's market valuation surged over $15 billion. The court-appointed committee that looked into India's regulatory mechanism to protect investors also gave a clean chit to Adani Group in May this year. It said that there has not been any regulatory failure from SEBI's side. That time, Adani Enterprises gained around 38%. This has not only made investors wealthier. Gautam Adani, whose net worth dipped below $43.4 billion in February this year, now is on the 16th spot again on the top 20 billionaires list in Bloomberg's index with a net worth of $70.2 billion. His wealth has increased by 30% in just a week, adding over $4.41 billion. In India, he is the second richest person after Mukesh Ambani, whose net worth is $90.4 billion and he is on the 13th spot. However, Adani is still down by $50.3 billion from his peak net worth in January this year before the report was released. At that time, he was in the second spot globally. Now coming to how much you have gained from buying the dip in February this year. If you invested in Adani Enterprises on February 27 at 1,193.5 rupees per share, you would have gained 149.20% returns on December 5. If you had invested in Adani Ports on February 2 at rupees 462.45 per share, you would have got 118.28% returns on December 5. Similarly, if you would have invested in Adani Green on February 27, you would have gained 191.8% returns on December 5. If you had bought Adani Power at the same date in February, you would have gained a whopping 284.28%. Investing in Adani Wilmar and Adani Total Gas would get you 10.75% and 29.5% gains respectively. For more such news and views, keep following ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.